Hi everyone, welcome back to the Frugal Watch Box Channel. Today, we will be comparing one of Casio's iconic retro timepieces, the super slim Casio A700W, with the Q&Q M173J001Y from Citizen Watch Company, which serves as an equivalent offering. What I have in my hands now is the Casio A700W, and on the screen is the Q&Q M173. The latest price for the A700W on gray markets is about $25. While the Q&Q M173 is approximately $15, making for a price difference of about $10. Let's move on and unbox the Q&Q watch. The parcel appears to be intact, but we never know what happens inside. Let's open the package and hope everything is okay inside. It seems that the watches are secured in thick bubble wrapping. It's uncommon for sellers to wrap items this way. Let's cut the bubble wrapping. For your information, I ordered 2 Q&Q watches, but the other one will be unveiled later this week. It seems that the first box is intact with no dents, but the second one is moderately dented. I hope the watch is fine inside. Unfortunately, we will be opening the dented box because that is where the Q&Q M173 watch is located. So, this is the user manual and the warranty card. Let's check the user manual first. Similar to Schemai's documentation, there is only a single piece of paper. The user guide in English is quite clear. It clearly states that Q&Q is owned by Citizen Watch Company, Ltd. In the manual, we have information on the function and delegation of each button, including the display, mode operation, backlight, stopwatch function, and dual time operation. On the other side of the user manual, the text appears to be in Russian, I guess. Next, we move on to the star of the show, the watch itself. Since it is made by Citizen, its quality is on par with Casio, if not better. The packaging is similar to Casio. Here is the watch tag with its full model number, M173J001Y. It seems that Q&Q is better in this regard since it has protective stickers on both the screen and caseback, unlike Casio, which only protects the screen. So, let's remove the protective stickers from the screen and caseback. What a lovely little watch. Let's discuss the dimensions. The case size is about 34 millimeters with a lug-to-lug distance of approximately 37.5 millimeters, a thickness of about 9 millimeters, and a lug width of about 16 millimeters, which is smaller than the 18 millimeters lug size on the A700W. The weight is around 65 grams. Let's take a closer look at the case and display. On the right are 2 buttons to toggle between start and stop, while the other button is for the light. On the left are another pair of buttons for reset and mode. On the screen, there is a thin white marking covering the crystal, and below that is a rather thick blue line. In the top left corner, we see the Q&Q logo alongside the alarm chrono imprint in white. Below, there is a water resistance imprint indicating that this watch is rated for water resistance up to 30 meters. At the top of the display, you'll find the date and day, followed by the alarm and chime indicators. Below that are indicators for PM, P, and AMA, followed by large digits for the hour, minute, and second. The M173 is powered by the caliber MD17421 quartz movement and has 8 main features: a stopwatch, dual time, a 100-year calendar, 30 water resistance, an LED backlight, an alarm with an hourly chime, and a CR1616 battery that lasts up to 3 years. The case looks and feels tough, even though it is made of resin, and the glass is acrylic. The case back is made of stainless steel and is secured with 4 screws, similar to the Casio. Side by side, the A700W looks more appealing, although the M173 features bolder and clearer digits and letters. The bracelet is made of stainless steel with a freely adjustable buckle and folded links. Its quality is comparable to Casio and should last a lifetime. The clasp has the Q&Q logo on it, unlike Scheme, which is always absent. To sum up, the Q&Q M173J001Y is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a retro-inspired, budget-friendly digital watch. Priced at only $15, this watch offers great value with features like a 100-year calendar, dual time functionality, a clear digital display, and a built-in light for nighttime visibility. While it has 3-bar water resistance, making it splash-proof, it's not suitable for swimming. The lightweight resin construction ensures comfort, making it an excellent everyday watch for those who love a blend of retro design and practicality without breaking the bank. Next, we move to the Casio A700W. First, let's discuss its dimensions. The case size is about 35.5 millimeters, which is slightly larger than the M173. The lug-to-lug distance is approximately 37.4 millimeters, and the thickness is about 6 millimeters, making it 3 millimeters slimmer than the M173. The lug width is around 18 millimeters, and its weight is only 50 grams, which is 15 grams lighter than the M173. On top of the glass is the prominent Casio logo, followed by the water-resistant WR imprint, which also indicates a rating of 30 meters. At the extreme bottom is the alarm chronograph imprint. On the crystal, there are thick white square lines marking the display. Just above the display panel are the imprints for alarm, signal, split time, and chrono, indicating the watch's features. On the right is a single button, unlike the double button on the M173. This button toggles start/stop and 12/24 hour selection. On the left are 2 buttons to control light and mode. At the top of the panel, you'll find the date and day, followed by small indicators for the alarm and hourly time signal. Below that are the larger digits for the hour, minute, and second. The case and bezel are made of resin, making them look tough and dependable. The glass is also made of resin. The case back is stainless steel and features all the necessary imprints, including the Casio logo, module and model number, and water-resistant rating. The bracelet is made of stainless steel with an adjustable clasp and folded links. Its quality is good and robust. Similar to the M173, the clasp features a Casio logo. The bracelets are almost similar in width to the M173, with the M173 adopting an oyster style and the A700W featuring a bar style. As you can see here, the A700W is much slimmer than the M173. The A700W's clasp is wider but shorter, while the M173's is longer but narrower. To sum up, the Casio A700W is a popular digital watch known for its sleek design and practicality, priced at about $25. It features a slim and lightweight design, making it comfortable for everyday wear, especially for those who prefer a low-profile watch. With its vintage digital style, it appeals to fans of retro watches while maintaining a minimalist and modern look. The durable stainless steel bracelet adds a touch of elegance and durability, while being adjustable for a comfortable fit. The watch includes a small LED light, allowing for easy reading of the digital display in low-light conditions. It also comes with a daily alarm, which is convenient for reminders or morning wake-ups. For timing activities, the A700W includes a 1/100-second stopwatch. The automatic calendar keeps track of the date without requiring manual adjustment, adding convenience for everyday use. The watch has basic water resistance, splash resistant, but is not suitable for swimming or submersion. With an approximate 3-year battery life, the A700W is low maintenance and doesn't require frequent battery changes. You can switch between 12-hour and 24-hour time formats, offering flexibility based on your preference. This blend of retro style, essential features, and affordability makes the Casio A700W a great choice for those looking for a stylish yet budget-friendly timepiece. Let's compare the alarm sounds of both watches. The A700W has a stronger sound, although it's shorter. In contrast, the M173 has a less prominent sound but is longer. Finally, let's compare the LED lights of both watches. The M173 has a notable greenish LED light but unfortunately offers weaker illumination, while the A700W features a clear amber LED light, as you can see in the video. On the wrist, both watches have a good presence on my 6.5-inch wrist, although the slimmer A700W offers better visibility. Here's the overall comparison of the key features between the Casio A700W and the Q&Q M173J001Y. Price. The Casio A700W is priced at about $25, while the Q&Q M173 is available for $15. Design. The Casio A700W features a slim, lightweight design with a stainless steel band for a sleek, retro look, giving it better presence on the wrist. Similarly, the Q&Q M173 also has a stainless steel band, combining a retro-inspired design with comfort. Display. The Casio A700W has a clear digital display with an amber LED backlight, which is notably clearer than the greenish LED light of the Q&Q M173. Water resistance. The Casio A700W is splash-resistant and not suitable for swimming, whereas the Q&Q M173 has 3-bar water resistance, making it splash-proof but not suitable for swimming. Additional features. The Casio A700W includes an auto calendar, daily alarm, stopwatch, and the option for a 12/24-hour format. The Q&Q M173 features a 100-year calendar, dual time functionality, daily alarm, and stopwatch. Alarm sound. The alarm sound on the Q&Q M173, while longer, is not very loud. In contrast, the alarm on the A700W is shorter but has a clearer sound. Battery life. Both the Casio A700W and the Q&Q M173 use a CR1616 battery, which lasts approximately 3 years. Both watches offer great value, with the Casio A700W focusing on a sleeker, more premium feel and better wrist presence, while the Q&Q M173 emphasizes functionality at a lower price. I think that's the end of the video for today. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next one. If you found the video useful, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. Bye for now.